Hi everybody, my name is Jennifer. Today, I would love to bring another platform to you that you can use if you are in Africa, if you are in Nigeria, and you would love to do an online business, you would love to do drop shipping, you would love to do affiliate marketing, you would love to do print on demand business, but there's no online store. You don't have online store. Let's say for example you want to do print on demand business here in Europe. In the USA, they use what they call Etsy as their online store, for example. But on that Etsy, you cannot join, you cannot register because you are from Africa. So that is why I'm bringing up this platform. So when you come and click on Paystack, you get yourself registered, and then you click on this storefront, put your name, and then you select your currency. If you are in Ghana, you select your cedis. So for people in Nigeria, I'm recording this video. I am in the UK, but I am creating this store because I want to target Nigerian market too. Okay, so those of you in Nigeria and you would love to do this kind of business, so what are you going to do? Create this kind of store using Paystack, and then you click on storefront. So this is just a new brand page, there's nothing there. So what are you going to do? You go at your right hand side up there, you're going to see where they say new. Click on that new product up there. So when you click it, a page is going to open whereby you're going to continue to add your product. So you can be able to sell online courses, you can do drop shipping with this page, you can do affiliate marketing with this page, you can do your print on demand business. That is what I'm going to do with this page. What does that mean? You create your designs from Canva, you put it on your online store, which is this store right now, and you do Facebook ads, or you post it on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram. When anybody purchases, you send it to your printer, and your printer will be the one to print and then ship to the customer. Can you see how easy it is? Your job is only to bring up the designs. Your job is only to have the ideas of what you're going to design. Happy birthday, I love my mom, Merry Christmas. So you bring up those ideas, you put it on your website, and when somebody buys them or buy anything from your store, you send it to your printer will do the work, and your printer will be the one to send it to your customer. This is what they call print on demand business. It's a very sweet business, and why I'm using this platform is to help people from Africa, people from Nigeria, people from Ghana, all over Africa, to be able to also earn money online, because the Etsy I'm using to be able to sell in the USA, in Canada, in Australia, in the whole Europe, people from Africa, they are not allowed to join the platform, and they are not allowed to bring up their ideas. So how can people in Africa be able to earn money? That is why I come up with this idea. It's a very powerful website to online store. And so what are you going to do right now? You put your description, you put your title, you put how much you want to sell the product or how much you want to sell your course. If your product is a physical product, you have to tick that green button, and then you need to click on next to be able to continue to bring up the picture of the product you want to sell. So I'm just taking my time. I click on next. So you see where they say add your media. So you can add up to 6 different types of pictures. Now that I'm doing print on demand business, I can be able to showcase my t-shirt in white color. I can be able to showcase it in black, in green. So I can be able to add up to, I think I have here black, navy, very dark navy, and white. Okay, so this is how you can be able to add products. You can add so many products here, and then you are good to go. If you have 1,000 products, you can be able to add it here. If you just have 2, 3, 4, 5 products, you can be able to add it here. If it's an online course, you can also be able to do it here. At the end right now, I'm going to show you that I've added about, I think about 6, 7, 8 product different t-shirts here. So you just keep on adding new design onto your shop to make your shop look good. So now you are going to, after this description, you're going to see the link. You can just copy this link right now and just send it to a friend. Your friend can be able to see this page and they can buy from you. There's also where they say digital download. Digital downloads, when you click there, you can upload some pictures there after the customer finish buying, so that they can be able to download the product they just bought. Sometimes after buying, you have to wait for 5 days, 3 days before the product will arrive to your house. So it's very important to at least have the picture or have the download of what you just purchased. So when you click on add new there, after clicking on digital downloads, it will bring you to your gallery. Then you can be able to select some pictures or anything you think you want your customer to see after purchasing. And now the next one is delivery. Yes, delivery is very, very important. So there, they're going to ask you if it is required for your customer to put their address. Oh yes, oh yes. If it is a physical product, meaning you're going to ship it to your customer, and that means it is required that the customer will put their address, so that you can be able to get the address to send it to them. I'm supposed to have maybe shorten this place for you guys, but it's fine. I didn't do much work trying to shorten it. I just leave it raw the way I recorded it. So you can see where they say delivery address. Yes, because just imagine a customer purchase something, pay, and then that place is not required and is optional, and the person didn't put any address. How can you send the product to the customer? So that is why you have to leave there required. It is a must. If the person didn't put anything there, the person cannot check out. And also here, there's what they call delivery fees. So you have to find out if you're delivering to Abuja, how much is it going to cost? If you're delivering to Lagos, how much is it going to cost? If you're delivering to Asaba, how much is it going to cost? So different parts of Nigeria costs money. So my advice to you is you are going to find like 2, 3 printer. If you're doing the print on demand, like I said, you're going to find like 2, 3 printers. Call them and tell them to give you the list of all the states and the prices to ship to them. Okay, remember the printer will be the one to print the t-shirts. They will now be the one to send the t-shirts out to the customer. This is absolutely amazing. You don't need to do anything. Your job is to make sure you are uploading your design every time. And this place is just when you click on it, because you have already added those pictures before, when they say redirect, right? Remember I told you that when the customer, after buying your product, they will redirect them to those pictures. And then here too, you can be able to add success message. If they really purchase and paid, what kind of message will pop up or send to them? So you can be able to also fix it here, type it here by saying, oh, thank you so much for stopping by, thank you for purchasing from us, we can't wait to have you back, something like that. Like I said, I didn't fasten this video. I didn't make it to be fast, or I didn't edit it, so it's raw. So give me time to type. Typing and talking at the same time is not easy. And for you that is watching this video, is good for you. So because there's some videos that are very, very, very fast, you only need to be, to go back and go front, and so this one, you just be watching it the way it is, and then you follow it step by step. And when they say split payment, let's say for example you are doing an online course and you want your student to pay like 2 times before they finish the fees, or 5 times before they finish the payment. So you can also specify it here by clicking on split payment, so that they can be paying the fees bit by bit. But in our own case, we are not doing it that way. We want them to pay the exact money before we can go ahead to print for them. So that is it. Is there any other thing that we need to? If not, we're going to click on save. Like I said, I didn't edit this video, so I just leave this page for you guys, so that as I'm doing it, you're doing it yourself and you're typing. So the next stage is to click on save. And then I also added some products. I'm just showing you guys just one, how to add one product. So after that, I'm going to show you, I think I added about 6 or 8 products, right? So you just keep on adding products, and then your page will look more beautiful. So this is just one product we have already added, and you can see the price. The person can select the quantity. If the person wants to buy more than one, the person can be able to do it. So like I said, you can upload up to 6 pictures. I just uploaded 3, which is not bad. And then the customer can click buy, and it will direct the customer where to put his or her card. Why I love this platform is that they help you to collect money from the customers. The customer can do online banking. The customer can use the direct, can make transfer. I mean, absolutely amazing. So I'm waiting for the next page. I'm waiting for the next page. I'm just leaving it for you guys. So we have finished everything from orders, from inventory, from customization, delivery, and then I will show you guys now the products, all the products I've added. So I added another one. You can see that white one. I also added it, but I didn't show you guys the process because it's the same process, at the end of the day, the same process. And then I'm going to show you guys now, I think about 6. I added about 6. So let's do it. It's about to come out. Like I said, I did not edit this video. So you click on preview. Yes, this is the page. This is where I want to show you guys. After adding many products, of course, I'm going to keep on adding products. Okay, I'm going to keep on adding products, but this is the one I've added so far. So people can come to this shop. You see, it's looking beautiful. Yes. People can come to this page and then place their order. So now let me show you guys how to set up your payment. So when you click on that payment page, then you click on new page. So you need to do this step so that the customer can be able to select the option how they want to pay, so it's not be just one option, right? So you need to know what you want. Is it a one-time payment? Like if it's 8,000, the person has to pay 8,000. Is it a subscription? Let's say, for example, you are offering online course. So we're going to do one time. So you're going to put your page name here, and then the description. You're going to put the description, like what is your page all about. So my page is all about print on demand. They call it POD. So it's about print on demand, whereby I sell t-shirts, sell mugs, sell sweaters, sell hoodies. Okay, so you, if you're doing affiliates, you need to describe it. If it's about online courses, you need to describe it. Are you doing, I don't know, what are you doing? What are you doing? You need to put it in here. And then tick. Yes, you can also do the advanced option. You can also do the advanced option, which is not bad. Let's say, for example, where you want to redirect your customers. Some people will say, okay, do you know what? After purchasing, bring them to my WhatsApp. Yeah, bring them to my WhatsApp after the payment. Which website do you want to open? Some people will send you to another different website. Maybe you can also, because you are selling another thing, so the way you want it. I think I brought my WhatsApp. I forgot to shorten this success message. So here you can also put your success message, and after the person might have finished putting the card, another message will come out to say, thank you so much, we have received your order. Is also very important. Like I said, this place is optional, but it's good. It's good to do it. Also, you can also put your email, which I just did, and then off you go. Off you go. You have created your payment page. So this is your payment page. You can copy the link, send to your friends. You can copy it, send to somebody to make payments, just to be 100% sure that it's working. Of course, it's working. So this is how easy it is to set up your payment after creating your shop, or you can also set up your payment page before you create your store, right? It doesn't matter. And secondly, at the beginning of this video, I didn't show that because it had to do with my details, right? So they call it compliance. Once immediately you register, you need to finish up that compliance, and then you do your store, you do your payment page, and then you are good to go. So this is the page the customer is going to see. The customer is going to put their first name, they're going to put their last name, and then they're going to put their email, phone number, and then they click on pay now. When they click on pay now, it's going to bring out options of payments. Like this is absolutely amazing. For you not to be able to lose customers, they're going to give them options to do online banking. They're going to give them options to do bank transfer. So you're going to see it. There's so many options they can be able to select. That means when a customer don't have A, the customer can have B, right? So assuming you did not set this place up, you might be able to lose customers because it will give them different options to pay. So let me show you guys that. So you can see here, the person can pay with card, like maybe MasterCard, Visa card. The person can do normal bank transfer. This is absolutely amazing. Or the Paystack, this platform can give the customer an account where they can transfer the money to. This is just absolutely amazing. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be bringing up videos on how to earn money online. Thank you so much for stopping by and for supporting me. Thank you.